Export. To find the export menu, click the share icon at the top right corner. The first option is Save a Copy. Name the room and click Save. Room Planner will save a copy of the project. If you click Image, you can choose between Photo and Floor Plan. By selecting Photo, Room Planner will save a current screenshot of the project to your device. By selecting Image Floor Plan, you will see Floor Plan Export options. The options include Full Color Screenshot, Real Estate Floor Plan, a high-resolution black and white blueprint with room areas and furniture layouts. Architectural Floor Plan, a high-resolution black and white blueprint containing detailed dimensions. By clicking the Stats option, you can view detailed statistics of your floor plan. Click Export PDF to save a report with all the dimensions. Using the Export PDF button, you can export reports such as floor plans, wall plans, and a shopping list. The shopping list option shows furniture items and materials used in the project with product links and prices. You can edit the amount and price of each item, and calculations will be done automatically. The finalized result can be exported as a PDF. Click the Share option if you want to share the project link with someone else. The exported link can be opened in a browser or on a device with the Room Planner app installed for editing. The last option in the Export menu is a 3ds Max export. Room Planner will zip the project into an archive with the 3ds Max file and all associated textures. Would you like more details on any specific export option, or do you have a particular use case in mind for your project?